After activating the Motion Design mode, the Motion Design Viewport will appear. After that, I will use Create Defaults to be able to see the actors on the screen. This way, all the actors I need, such as lights, a post-process volume, and a camera, will be added automatically. Once the camera is added, you will see that it automatically switches to camera mode. For a better working screen, select the checkerboard in the post-process effects located just below. This way, you can better understand that you are in camera mode. If you want to exit this locked camera mode and return to the perspective view, you can click this button at the top of the viewport. To switch back to camera mode, you can select the camera you added from the camera options. Then, to set your camera as the pilot camera, enable the toggle here. Or you can use the shortcut C to quickly switch between the perspective view and the camera. To see the area visible in the camera or to exit this mode, click on Viewport Overlay Visibility. Click this icon to toggle the save frames on and off. To create additional reference lines, drag and drop the vertical or horizontal rulers. You can manage the visibility of these guidelines using the Toggle Guides option. The toolbar located at the bottom center of the screen is actually a shortcut version of the toolbar inside the Motion Design mode. You can also add actors and shapes using this small toolbar. You can control the visibility of this toolbar by clicking the eye icon. If you have any shape components on the screen, you can quickly access your shape properties using Toggle Shape Editor Overlay. Or you can disable this feature. These properties can also be accessed from the Details panel. In addition to guidelines or save frames, there is also a grid option available. You can toggle the grid on and off by clicking the grid icon at the bottom. The red lines represent the lines of this grid. One of the standard features is also the screenshot option, which allows you to take screen captures. The general transform and snap settings are located in the upper left corner. You can access viewport-related transform tools from here. Of course, the most used section is the transform tools. Therefore, there are shortcut icons for transform tools right next to this menu. Selection, Move, Rotation, Scale, and finally, you can choose your reference coordinate system. Right next to it, you can also access the snapping options. Likewise, the most frequently used snap options are aligned next to the menu as shortcut buttons. First is Surface Snap. Second is Move Snap. Third is Rotate Snap. Fourth is Scale Snap. On the right side, you can access more general settings. I will switch to another example to explain these settings. View mode is a mode that allows you to inspect your work by displaying the scene with different visualization options like lit, wireframe, or unlit. Show flags are settings that allow you to control which elements are visible in the viewport. Viewport scalability is a setting that allows you to increase or decrease the visual quality of the viewport as needed to optimize performance. We can return to our simple project. Finally, I want to show a few additional features. If you are using masks on your objects, your mask object will not be visible. To make your mask object visible, use the Toggle Mask mode. This way, your mask objects will also become visible. To change the color of the selected actor quickly without searching in the Details panel, you can use the Actor Colors feature. You can use Alignment to align any motion design actor on the screen using this feature. Another feature is the enable and disable animator options. Sometimes working with animators active can be difficult, so by using these buttons, you can temporarily disable and then re-enable your animator modifiers in the viewport. If you only want to see your selected actor, use the Isolate Selected Actors feature. This is especially useful in complex graphics. Toggle bounding box is a general bounding box that frames all your selected shapes or actors. It's a useful feature to understand what you've selected or not. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.